Hey guys, so today we're gonna have some.
Nantok na lang ito puso.
Oh, don't mind that sound, okay? I'm just gonna have something. Let's see. Mix. Have you tried palabok?
Si Toti.
Hi, must be CJ. Yes. Kahit talagang pumili ni Ate Pembe mo. Ma, kay Ate Pop yan.
Even with the water, never mind.
Yes, handsome.
I like only the eggs, not even the rest.
Gabby, finally, in the flesh. Hi. Christopher. Very nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Bakit nga pala kailangan mo ng ballpen?
It's so good.
Bobby! Oh, ano nangyari dito? Bakit nagka-ball-ball yan? Hindi ko nga nito. What? Dahan-dahan. Sandali.
Maldita yung mga bata.
Ate, kunti lang ha. Kunti lang.
Sorry guys, I'm in
What
Filipino.
is the meaning of this?
You guys don't understand Filipino, so I was in English today and I was gonna speak Tagalog today. Ay, ano guys, magtatagalog na ngayon ako. Ang palabo. Tatry niyo ba ang palabo? Comment down below niyo. Sarap.
CJ pare.
Frodo, oy Bea, congrats ha!
Okay.
Frodo, good birthday.
Oh,
Thanks for coming, ate. Go pa? Sandali, ano nangyari dyan?
would you?
Everyone, this is my daughter.
Bakit ako nag-i-English?
Hi. And this is Tristan. Tristan, this is Daddy, Gabby,
Okay.
Dana, my mom,
Bakit meron naman ako nag-i-English?
and Toti. And
Frodo, my favorite day. Ate Alex!
Ate! Ate! Traffic ka? Ma! Buti naman nakarating ka.
Sana kakainin ko yung yung juice. Pero malapit na to guys. Malapit na to maubos.
Sino ba? Seryoso ba? Oo. Saan ba isa? Hi.
Mm.
Pasok na tayo?
Where's my water though? May wala ng tubig.
CJ at Eddie at Bobby, share mo na kayong room, ha?
Okay guys, bye-bye. At wala na itong palabok. At
No.
iinom ako ng tubig. Eh! Ito pusa ko.
Wala pa yung sumasustigi ni Betty.
You know what?
Ay, naku, ma, sorry. Hindi ko na ito.
Bre, natulo.
Babe, bakit wala pa yung...
Bye-bye guys.